Career clusters. An introduction. Have you ever wondered what kind of job you might want when you grow up? Do you want to do something that's really special to you? Have you looked at the skills you have and wondered if they could take you somewhere and you could do something with them? When you think about jobs, there are thousands of possibilities. It can be hard to wrap your head around them all. And we need some way to organize them. The way we do that is with career clusters. Career clusters are a broad group of jobs and industries that share common features. There are 16 career clusters, and career clusters identify the knowledge and skills needed for certain kinds of jobs. And if you like one job in a cluster, chances are you'll probably find other jobs in that same cluster that you like as well. So what good are career clusters? Basically, they help us organize information from just all kinds of random information into more specific pathways and programs. For example, if we look at the picture, we see that we have the career cluster health science. And if we wanted to study nursing, we need some way to get there. That would be a career pathway. In this case, nursing. And then we would need a specific program of study. And in this case, it would be an AAS of licensed practical nursing. Basically, clusters are large groups of information. Pathways lead us to specific destinations and jobs, and programs of study are the exact things we need to learn to be able to do those jobs. Some programs of study are detailed sequential list of the education and training for a particular job. Before you go to high school, you'll create your own personal program of study. In fact, you'll do it when you're in the 8th grade. You'll take a class called Exploring Careers for that purpose. That's one of the reasons we're introducing career clusters now. So let's look at an example. Say you're good at working on bikes, you like big trucks, and you have an interest in mechanical things. By taking that general information, we can look at all 16 career clusters, and we can probably find one that matches what we like to do. In this case, transportation, distribution, and logistics. And when we look at that, we can think, well, what would I specifically like to do? And the way we refine our search even more is with our career pathway. In this case, it would be the facilities and mobile equipment maintenance pathway. If we look at that pathway, you can see the very first job described there is mechanic. So we have gone from a large group of information in a career cluster to a more specific way to get where we want to go, called our career pathway. And in this case, it's facility and mobile equipment maintenance. Now, when you're in high school and you have a pathway picked out, you can look for a program of study that will get you exactly where you want to go. In this case, if you wanted to be a diesel mechanic and you go to Blanson Career and Technical High School, your program of study would look like this. In addition to your core classes like English and math and science, there are classes that you would be required to take each year. That's your course of study. Okay, in 9th grade, it would be Principles of Transportation Systems. In 10th grade, it would be Energy and Power of Transportation Systems. And the fun starts in 11th grade. You get Diesel Equipment Technology 1, and in 12th grade, Diesel Equipment Technology 2. To summarize, career clusters are large groups of related jobs. There are 16 career clusters. They provide a way to organize career pathways and courses of study, and they can provide a roadmap to your future.